Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking power and the safe mode badge so you know the state. Once done, remove a case and disconnect accessories because stuck buttons often trigger safe mode. Press and hold power until restart appears. Choose restart or reboot. If restart is missing, power off fully and wait 10 seconds before powering on. You do this because safe mode often clears on a clean boot. Make sure you see the Infinix logo without pressing any buttons. Now you verify physical buttons. Press both volume up and down individually to feel for sticky or lodged debris because a held volume key forces safe mode. If the phone still boots into safe mode, boot to recovery by powering off, then holding power plus volume up or down depending on model. Once in recovery, select Reboot System Now to exit safe mode without data loss. This step isolates software from hardware triggers while avoiding a factory reset. Finally, you address apps and system state. In normal mode, uninstall any recently added or misbehaving apps because they can force safe mode. If issues persist, boot recovery and clear the cache partition to remove temporary conflicts. This is safe for data. Make sure to back up your photos and contacts before a factory reset. Only perform a reset as a last resort because it erases everything. If problems continue after reset, the issue is likely hardware and requires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.